Hello, Team Grant! Good morning! So, ito na nga. Excited na po kaming pumunta ng school today. Pero actually, hindi pa naman to ang start ng regular classes niya. Bukas pa po. So, ang mangyayari today, meet and greet lang sa kanyang teacher and sa kanyang mga classmate. So, it will only take like 45 minutes for the greet and meet.
Yeah, we're on the ground.
And then, uuwi na rin agad.
Oh my God.
So now, ang magiging routine namin, every morning, ang daddy niya ang maghahatid sa kanya, and then ang mag-pick up na rin pa uwi. Hindi na po kami kumuha ng school bus kasi napakalapit ng yung school.
Don't worry, you'll-
Isang roundabout lang,
In a couple of days
diretso,
after wearing
then
them,
boom. Ano na ang
wear
school
them
ng
out.
Jane. So for now, sinamahan ko muna sila for the
What
meet and
happened to
greet.
you in this world that you
But
gotta be
tomorrow,
afraid of
start
everybody?
tomorrow, silang dalawa na lang.
Yes.
So ayan na nga, dumaan kami sa likod kasi mas malapit daw doon.
Those
Here we go!
basements
And
are
then,
the
eto na nga kami guys. Naku po, punong-puno. Mabilisan lang sa school kasi baka bawal. So guys, yan lang po for now. Bye! God bless you all!